Okay, so in the previous video I showed you just to extract the files onto your desktop. So you had the zip files that you downloaded, you then got the folders that you extracted from those zip files. We're now ready to actually transfer these to the internet. In previous videos in this series you'll saw how to access FileZilla and actually connect to your website. So once you've double clicked and opened and you've got your website up and ready, so say yours is called Your Video Guys for example, what you want to do is create a directory that you're going to put them in and transfer these folders up to your website. So I'm going to create one here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Create Directory, and I'm going to call this one ETV, which stands for Easy Traffic Videos, and I'm going to hit OK. That's now going to create a nice little folder for me on my website, and again if I left click it's going to be blank here because there's nothing inside this folder yet, because we're now going to begin uploading. And what we do is we highlight video 1, 2 and 3 that's on our computer. We've got these. This is all the files that are on our computer. Now to upload you can either do this one by one. You just left click on the folder, drag and drop. Because these are quite large, I just want to let them upload on their own. We're going to actually highlight them all. Now the way we can do that is to either hold down the control key and select them one by one and add them, or we can highlight the top one, go down to the bottom one and hold the shift key, and it's going to highlight everything in between as well. And then we just left click and hold down our mouse button. You'll see as it gets to here it becomes a plus. We let go and it's going to then tell us it's going to begin uploading. It's going to start uploading all the files for us. Okay, so we now have the 3 video folders uploaded to our hosting account. We now want to upload the actual website first. So we choose to go into our reseller files, and you'll see there's one called website. Now we don't want to upload the folder in this case, we just want to upload everything that's actually inside of this folder. So we double click, left click on the top one, come all the way down, hold down the shift key and left click again, hold your mouse, left click, hold it down, drag, drop, let go. It's now going to start uploading these files as well. Just show you it's uploading those as well. And once it's finished uploading these, we'll come back again. And then once that's finished uploading, we can just go and check to make sure it's okay. All we need to do is go to our domainname.com/ETV. And we should see that our sales page is uploaded now. Things obviously like the payment button won't work yet. We've got to edit it to put our name on. But the reason why we're doing this is because we're going to be using things like this image when we're setting up PayPal. And if it's already online, it's a lot easier for you to actually get the images and just go into PayPal and set it all up. The other thing to bear in mind as well is the way we're setting this up at the moment is there will be different workflows that you can use in order to squeeze people through your process. It's entirely up to you. In some resale rights packages you might not get a squeeze page, so at this point we're pretty much done. We'd need to move on to editing the delivery pages, etc. for our clients. But in our case we've actually got an additional option here. If we look at our reseller files, we have a video squeeze page which we're going to direct our traffic to in the first instance to build our list. So we make sure we're still in the ETV folder. We left click, and in this case we're not going to go inside like we did with website. We're actually just going to upload the folder as it is. So we just left click on the video squeeze and hold, go over here and then let go, and it's now going to upload our video squeeze page for us. Okay, so that's now finished uploading. We can go back to our website and we can put in the video squeeze, video SQ, onto our actual link. And you can see that our video squeeze page has now uploaded, and we're ready to now paste in our Aweber code, and it says here place Aweber form code here. Now you'll see this when we start editing source code in our next videos. At this stage we just want to make sure everything's uploaded and working correctly. Now by rights, if I show you the folder, if we go into our reseller files and our video squeeze, we uploaded all these to the internet, and one of these was called thanks. So if we go back to our site and we put in at the end of our URL, so we've got oursite.com/ETV, which is the folder we set up, /video SQ, which is the folder we're looking at now. This is where we're going to send our traffic to. If we now put thanks.html and hit enter, we can actually see it loading our page where it says download your free report below, and it says you can download your report by clicking this link. And if the person clicks the link, because the way that everything's structured on your site, it's taking a bit of time now, Ah, there we go. Because of the way things are structured in the folders for you, this is it. Here's the report. So the person can now come down and start reading through the report, etc., and going through the free report that you've given them. Now you're going to want this in the next video when I show you. You're going to want to see the notice of the thank you page, etc. And likewise, it says thanks for joining our long list of people grabbing our free report. You can access the content above, but be sure to check out the full video course. So if they click the link, it's going to take them to your sales page that you've also uploaded. So that's the great thing about the way the resale package has been structured. Everything flows already for you. Your flow is in place. The person can download their report. That have first of all been squeezed at your site. Just going to pause it again there. And then you just forwarded them onto the page so you'd put the details in. Now, as we go through this, you'll see the flow of how this package is already there. But in bonus videos, you're also going to see alternative ways that you can squeeze people through by making some simple edits to the packages that you get. And we'll show you that in bonus videos. For the next video, we want to now connect this up. Obviously, at the moment, there's no Aweber code. You saw a little bit of an intro earlier on getting your list ready to actually start setting up. In the next video, we'll look at how you connect your Aweber web form to this particular squeeze page. Thanks for watching.